Good morning, fifth graders. This is Miss Laura with today's math workshop lesson. This week, we have been focusing on decimal work, which includes adding, subtracting, multiplying, and division. Okay? So before we start our lesson, I want to play a quick video on multiplication of decimals. Let's watch this real quick.
How much for 4 pounds at 150 a pound? How much for 4 pounds at 150 a pound? Multiply with decimals, yeah, that's how. How much is 10 an hour at 3 hours a day? Finding the product is the way. You gotta multiply the decimals, that's what's up. What do you get? The product. Just multiply the decimals, that's what's up. And what do you get? The product.
Multiplying decimals can seem complicated, but these strategies hopefully will make it not so hard to get the job done when you're working on solving math problems. Here's a whole number and a decimal to work with. 2 times 0.03 or 300ths. Say it either way, they're both the same. When you model it with words, you'll use this name. 600ths or 0.06 is what you get. You can model this on a number line to solve it. It looks kind of tricky, but let's give it a try. Move up 300th, not just 2 times. But what if both factors are decimals? Don't freak out, there's a way to solve that too. So if 0.7 times 0.4 was what they're asking, first we could convert them both to fractions. 7/10 times 4/10. And we can write that like this. Multiply and you get 2800ths, or convert the product to a decimal if you want it. And that number would be 0.28. No sweat, right? A piece of cake. I said that number would be 0.28. No sweat, right? A piece of cake.
How much for 4 pounds at 150 a pound? Multiply with decimals, yeah, that's how. How much is 10 an hour at 3 hours a day? Finding the product is the way. You gotta multiply the decimals, that's what's up. What do you get? The product. Just multiply the decimals, that's what's up. And what do you get? The product.
Problems ain't a problem if you know how to solve them. Use what you know about powers of 10. Take 5.12 times 3.1. In just 3 steps, we can get it done. Step 1, estimate an educated guess. About 5 times 3 is what the product is, or should be, making it close to 15. The guess isn't exact, but close to what it'll be. Step 2, stack the numbers to multiply. Take the points away, move them over to the right. It's important. Don't line up the decimals. Multiply to get 15872. Step 3, okay, I know I said take them out, but put the decimal point back in after you count. How many digits are before the point in the factor? This is the last step in finding the answer. So with 5.12 and 3.1, we need 3 decimal places. In the product, we end up with 15.872. Close to our estimate. That's how we do.
How much for 4 pounds at 150 a pound? Multiply with decimals, yeah, that's how. How much is 10 an hour at 3 hours a day? Finding the product is the way. You gotta multiply the decimals, that's what's up. What do you get? The product. Just multiply the decimals, that's what's up. And what do you get? The product.
And this works because when we move the decimals right then left, we're basically multiplying by a power of 10 and then dividing by it again.
Okay, that was a quick review on multiplication of decimals. So once you watch this video, we have attached a division of decimal and another multiplication of decimal. You're going to choose which video you need to watch. Maybe you need a review on multiplication, even though we just saw this video from Flocabulary. You may need to see it a little bit slower, okay? Which is nothing wrong. We also included a division of decimals, okay? So make sure you take the time to look at that before you start your problems. The next thing you should do is look at the problem set that your teacher has placed for you to complete. Okay, so there's a decimal question A, and this is the worksheet that you will be seeing. Then there's question B. Okay, make sure you complete your work. Try to explain your thinking. I know some of you can write on your iPad, but some of you use your computer and can't. Or maybe even submit your work. Take a picture of it using your iPad or an iPhone or any phone, and then just attach it to your work when you're turning it in. Talking about turning in, we want to make sure you know where you should be turning in your work. So if you have an iPad tablet, you're going to see something like this towards the bottom of your screen. So once you're done, make sure you hit turn in. If you're working on a computer, you're going to see your work on this side of your screen, and you're going to hit turn in. Okay? Once you've done those 3 problems on your problem set, you're going to head over to iReady. Log in. You must complete at least 2 lessons for today. Okay? Put in your username, your password, make sure this says New York, and complete those lessons. Okay, guys? Practice, practice. You're going to 6th grade, hopefully, and you need to be ready. So with that, I say goodbye, good luck, and see you tomorrow. Bye.